The only problem with this one is the fan. It's freaking annoying, especially when you work at night. I'm not even doing anything, nothing is open, and it has 2200 RPM for the CPU and 2200 for the GPU, almost 2300. The lowest fan speed. And can you hear it? And I don't know if you can hear this one. It's quite dirty. I just cleaned it yesterday, but now it's dusty now. So anyways, that's how it sounds at normal usage. Now if you, when it's rendering, I mean this is turbo, so auto, it's just doing its normal job while it's, well, it's not normal use, I'm not using anything, it's just my files there. But when I do render, it goes up a little bit, like, or play any games. So this is the one that's making an annoying sound. Wow, it is dirty. I need to clean it. Let's clean it. So as you can see, this one has a metal blade and this one is kind of plastic. Maybe you can just clean this out. Let's see. There's a clip here. Need to remove. Okay. Let's remove the screws. Now it can be easily removed. Ta-da! Pull it, just pull it. Careful not to break it. Ta-da! Now just wash it. Okay, I'll wash this one. Okay, so I washed it. See? And make sure it's dry. No water. It's just a magnet. So here's the fan. So maybe because it's so dusty and dirty, the balance is off, so it's making a sound. So it's just a magnet. You just put it in, no big deal. Okay, that should be enough. And then let's clean up with a gadget swab, making sure everything is clean. Also here. Then just put it back. Simple as that. There. And I'll put this back together. Okay, all good. So make sure it's turning freely. It's totally clean, right? We just put it back here. Just plug it in and click. I don't know if you hear the click, but just put inside a hole, just like that, and then seal it back with the tape. Put the screws inside. Easy peasy. This one is done. So let's go to the other one. Good. This one looks so dirty. Okay, there you go. Remove it. Or else you're gonna destroy it. There you go. Fan blade and clean it. Ta-da! So this is the metal blade, and this one is the fragile one. So be careful. Come on, there you go. Woo! Just be careful. Okay. So freaking dirty, right? Okay, so I'll just wash this one. Give me a sec. Okay, now it's totally washed. See the difference? It's clear, right? There's no dust. Just hope. Well, there's actually like just magnets here. There's no bearing, doesn't turn. Okay, so this is the one that makes it turn, the magnets. So when it's dirty, it's making the balance off and it makes sounds. But now let's hope it will be fixed. Okay, 2 screws in. It's turning, there's no dents. Same for the other one. Okay, let's return the cover. So I cleaned the cover as well. The dust, everything. So just push it down. Back, 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 back. Okay, so installed all the screws. So for the moment of truth, let's check it out. How's the fan? So turbo. Oh, that's a tunnel. It's always like that when it's max.